When you build an outbound list, how many tools does it take? 3? 5? More? Most teams use 4 to 6 tools, spending $1,500 to $3,500 per month per seat, dealing with messy workflows, constant tab switching, and data that goes stale before you can act on it. Meet Jason 4.0, an AI agent built for limitless prospecting and more. Every way to find your buyer, score them, research them, reach them, and convert in one place. 9 different ways to source leads, all inside Jason. Let's start with the newest one, AI web search. Describe your buying persona in plain English. Jason scans the open web and finds matching people in real time. You define the context, the timing, and the buying intent, all in one prompt. If your ICP is specific, a particular archetype, stage, or behavior, filters cannot capture it. AI search can. Sales Navigator Autopilot. Let Jason define your ICP with Sales Nav filters. Adjust them if needed. Jason keeps pulling new matching leads automatically every day. Set it and forget it. Buying intent signals. Target prospects by the technology they use or the roles they're hiring for, so you reach them at the moment they're actively looking for a solution. LinkedIn Post Engagers. Capture people who like or comment on specific posts or profiles, but only the ones who actually match. Set your ICP fit threshold, and Jason automatically scores every engager and adds only the ones who hit the bar. Competitor followers. Pull followers of your competitors' company pages, but only those who match your ICP. They already care about the category, and you're a good fit. Website visitors. Turn anonymous traffic into named contacts. The visitors who didn't fill out your form are usually the ones worth reaching. And if you already have your own data, upload a CSV, add contacts manually, or sync from your CRM. Jason works with whatever you bring. LinkedIn search. Search and pull contacts directly from LinkedIn into your sequences without leaving Jason. Jason runs deep research on every contact, analyzing posts, hiring signals, funding events, tech stack, and company activity. Or define your own research logic. Just describe what matters and Jason will find it. Then turns that context into highly personalized messages. And once your message is ready, Jason delivers it across channels: email, LinkedIn, calls, one sequence, fully coordinated. And when replies come in, Jason handles them for you. Meetings get scheduled and rescheduled automatically. What's more, Jason works even when you're out of ideas for your next sequence. One tool instead of 10. 80% of your outbound work automated. More leads, better conversion. Don't let another quarter slip through the taps. Book a demo to see if Jason fits your team.